The moment we've all been waiting to see. Getting ready to go through the blow mold drawer. Stay tuned. Just a few things in a blow mold drawer that aren't exactly needed in that drawer, as that's typically my tap and dine rethread drawer, but got this Mac Tools 13-piece plug socket set, won that online the other day, $167 shipped to the door. Right there's your set number, part number, set number. 13-piece set, has everything, has your regular 6.14 millimeter, 6-point swivel 14 millimeter, and it has your 12-point 14 millimeter. I do believe that's a thin wall. Yes, sir, it's thin wall. Really great set to have. If you want to compare it to SnapOn, it beats it. Blows the doors right in. That's 13-piece set, like 170 bucks, whatever I said. And SnapOn set is a 6-piece set, and it'll run you right around 200 bucks, as it lists at 360 or something wild like that. Anywho, moving on. Something else we had just recently picked up was this terminal release set. Needed these for my brother's car to diagnose why his window switches weren't working. Well, he had connectors falling out of his pins, wires falling out of his connectors, whatever you want to say. Great set to have if you were to look on Cornwall's site right now. This set right here lists for like 200 bucks. I bought these off Amazon. It's called CM Tool. I think I paid like 27, 28 bucks for these shipped to the door. Can't beat it. Way better than your Cornwall and other truck prices. Moving on to Mac Tools 123-piece Mac grip ratcheting screwdriver set. This is a big go-to for me. Missing a few pieces, but I have them. I do believe, yeah, they're in the handle. I take this to the barn a lot, as I can take this one case with me and do anything I need as far as fixing fans, lights, outlets, water sprinklers, whatever. Really great set to have. The only thing you could do to beat this would be getting the RBRT set. Really solid set. The wife uses that one too. She loves it. Oh, it looks like we're getting into the tap and die and rethread stuff. RD20. This is your 20-piece master spindle rethread kit. I more so use this on tractor and truck equipment, straightening out bolts, cleaning up threads, whatever. Not so much the guy that hits your studs while taking your ball joints and wheel bearings out, all that shit. So I don't really need to fix them up-ohs, but if I ever do, voila, right there, your RD20 by SnapOn. It's your master spindle rethread set. This is a must-have, I say, for every mechanic. RTD48 is your part number, set number, whatever you want to say. 48-piece master rethreading set. Fractional, metric, it's got it all there. Rethread taps and dies. Everything you'd need as far as cleaning up damaged threads, busted threads, bent threads, dirty threads. We've got thread files, you know, you're putting in new bolts and you want to get rid of them burrs. Right there you go. Quick and easy. All around, you can't beat that set. It's a nice one to have. We're getting a little full here all of a sudden. So we're a couple additional things here in the drawer that aren't exactly needed to be in this drawer, but they are. Not exactly extraction, but I guess you could call it an extraction set. This is my bolt grip puller set. Really great set to have. Used it quite a few times, pulling steering wheels, pulling very small gears, etc. I am missing my big dial pin, drive pin, whatever you want to say. Still waiting for Ethan to get that. Hashtag, come on Ethan. Really great set to have. I should probably get myself an actual steering wheel puller, as I do a lot of steering wheel pulls on these European cars, part outs, whatever. Here we got something in the other day. These are new to me, pretty new. The guy opened them, put them in his box, and said he never used them, but it's a 9-piece deep well extractor set by SnapOn. I looked up the part number, BEXD9, and I could not find this set anywhere. I think I found like 8 and 10-piece sets, but I did not see a 9-piece. New, unused, all stamped. They're really high quality. These are going to be nice to use. They're already nice to have. They make the box feel complete in quote unquote oh shit drawer. I do have a shallow version, which these are just Blue Point. Sold by SnapOn, obviously. Well, now I have Deep Well. They're SnapOns. That's a good addition to have. Then we're going to move right on over to 10-piece left-hand drill bit. Well, Cobalt drill bit set. I think I got this one offline for like 35, 40 bucks, I forget. Really great set to have. It's all complete. It's all there. None are missing tips, broken tips. I do believe I used a 1/4 inch once in the number 3. Maybe it was a number 4. But as far as bolt extraction, can't beat this set. It's really practical. I think they only list for like 80 bucks on the truck, something like that, 100 bucks. So probably take it home for 60, 75 new. That's another good addition to have. Small, practical. When you need it, it's there. These were new, just got these the other day. This is a 5-piece twist socket set from Mac. I do believe it was 3/4 to 1 inch. Brand new, unused, as you can see. Really nice set to have. These will come in use when I need them. As far as taking off tractor bolts and the motor deck bolts in that orange tractor right there, I needed to use one the other day. Came right out. Actually, bolt sits right here, but that's besides the point. And we got this new but used 15-piece screw extractor set by SnapOn. REX15B. Obviously it's 15-piece set. Obviously it is missing a few. I think I paid 40 bucks for this set on Amazon. I didn't think that was a bad deal at all, so I bid it up and stole it for 40 bucks. That was shipped to my door. It is missing 3 pieces. I've already put them on order. I don't think I could complain much about that. Between $40 to purchase this and I think it was 17 bucks to order all 3 of them. I'm under $60 and I got this whole set. I do believe they list around 200. Just a few more things left down here, and it's not exactly in the oh shit drawer, but brake service kit. American, foreign, domestic, as you see up top here. I do a lot of Volkswagen, BMW work, so everything that I needed or would be applicable for me, I just wrote it in up top. I do a lot of Fords also. That you can get this off Amazon. I do not remember what it was called. I guess it's just CR-MO. Right there's your numbers. Really practical set, really great to have. Has all your special spline sockets and everything for your vehicles, your M14 security, 11.5 millimeter for Fords, 14 millimeter 7-point. You got a 15 millimeter, I do believe that's a 10-point or a 12-point. to 10 point, and then you got a 20 millimeter 10 point. Practical set, really great to have. Everything's been used. I'm not sure what's up with this coating over SnapOns, but it does not rust, and I'm a really big fan of it. I guess that's your quote-unquote cheap Chinese stuff, but hey, it works for me, so I'll continue using it till it don't. Getting down to the nitty-gritty here, we got what I have left. I had 2 kits. This one is the SVTS 263A. I had this and I had the SVTS 2000, but I did not need the SVTS 2000 as they're the same thing, except the 2000 is a barrier tool and it just holds the coolant up in your radiator so you can fix lower rad hoses, thermostat, water pump, whatever. And it holds the coolant for you. Really didn't need that, as you know, usually when people come in with European vehicles and need something coolant-wise, coolant-related, it's just pressure tested, which is this, to figure out where the leak is, and then that's replaced or the entire coolant system's replaced. I do a lot of that on these BMWs and Volkswagens. So that's why I kept that kit. Really practical for me. A lot of people like to come here and get their tires patched, plugged, whatever. So this is your Harbor Freight special, obviously. Used many times. It comes with 60 plugs. You can't beat that. For I think I spent like 29 bucks on this case. The one part I loved about it is, unlike most tire patch kits, it doesn't have a plunge stopper, so you're not ramming a plunger into people's wheels. Really great set to have. I've used the heck out of it, as you can see. I use it in the driveway, along the road. It don't matter to me. I just take my handheld air compressor and this and go. Charge somebody 60 bucks to fix a flat along the road or whatever it is. I charge them 25 here. They're happy. I'm happy. They don't have to change their tires and get that extra bill. I can give them the assurance of putting the plug in and soaking down the tire and saying, hey, it's not leaking, nor will it. That's just a little bit of my case drawer, I guess. Blow mold case. Tilt this back here. And that's about what it looks like. Get everything stuffed back in the drawer. Some way how we had it in here before. Just like that. Next tour will be the other blow mold case drawer, which does not have much in it, as you can see. That'll be for a later date though. As long as y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching and peace out.